Not getting any bass from your Samsung subwoofer? It might not be paired. Here is how to manually pair your Samsung soundbar and subwoofer quickly and easily. First, unplug both the soundbar and subwoofer from power. Wait about 10 seconds. Now plug in the subwoofer only. On the back, look for a small ID set button, usually near the power cord. Using your finger or pin, press and hold the ID set button until the blue light starts blinking. That means it's ready to connect. Next, plug in the soundbar. While it's still off, press and hold the up button on the remote until you see ID set flash on the soundbar display. On some models, the display may show link or pairing. Now turn on the soundbar using the remote or the power button. The blue light on the subwoofer should stop blinking and stay solid. That means it is now connected. Still blinking, unplug both devices, wait again and repeat the process slowly. That is it, manual pairing done right. Your soundbar and subwoofer should now work together, giving you full deep sound like it's meant to be. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.